When it comes to choosing the best hosting for your WordPress site, the debate between InMotion hosting and SiteGround is one that comes up frequently. But which one is truly better for WordPress? Today, we're going to dive into the details to help you make an informed decision, but stick around till the end because we'll also uncover a better alternative that you might not have considered. First, let's talk about performance. InMotion hosting offers solid speeds and uptime, with an average uptime of 99.95%. They also provide free SSDs across all plans, which can speed up WordPress load times. But on the flip side, SiteGround's performance has been stellar as well, particularly in its managed WordPress hosting, which is optimized for WordPress with features like Supercacher and integrated CDN. However, SiteGround's basic plans tend to be a bit pricier, especially when renewals come around. Next thing, customer support. InMotion hosting is known for its responsive and knowledgeable customer service. They offer 24/7 support by chat, phone, and email, which is great, but it's not always the quickest. On the other hand, SiteGround support is often praised for being more proactive and providing quicker responses, but it's more limited in terms of contact methods, mostly chat and tickets. While both companies do have a good reputation for support, SiteGround takes the edge here in terms of responsiveness. The third thing to consider is pricing. InMotion hosting offers affordable plans, especially for long-term contracts. They're more budget-friendly in the first few years, especially if you're looking for features like free SSL, unlimited bandwidth, and free website migration. SiteGround, however, can get quite expensive when renewal time comes, especially with their WordPress plans. They do provide some solid features like automatic updates and daily backups, but those come at a higher cost, which might not fit everyone's budget. Next, let's talk about features. InMotion hosting's plans come with a range of WordPress-specific features, like easy one-click installations and automatic backups. You get a lot of features for your money, but SiteGround offers more specialized WordPress tools, like their managed WordPress hosting, which includes enhanced caching, staging environments, and automatic updates. But again, these tools come at a premium, and if you're just starting out with WordPress, you might not need all of them. Now, let's touch on scalability. Both InMotion hosting and SiteGround are decent when it comes to growing your site. InMotion allows you to easily upgrade your hosting plans as you need more resources, and they even offer VPS and dedicated hosting, which makes it easier to scale. SiteGround also offers scalability, but their plans are not as flexible as InMotion's. If you're looking to scale your site as you grow, InMotion might be the more flexible option. So, which one is better for WordPress? Well, both InMotion hosting and SiteGround have their strengths, but if you're just starting out, InMotion hosting's better pricing and features might be a good fit for you. However, if you're looking for top-tier WordPress performance and are willing to pay a bit more for faster support and specialized features, SiteGround could be the way to go. But here's the thing, I've tried all of these myself, and if you want the best overall experience for WordPress hosting, with top-notch performance, great customer support, and a better price-to-performance ratio, I recommend checking out the free trial linked in the description below. By using our link, you'll get exclusive benefits and a better trial than what's available elsewhere.